Welcome back to Fleet Equipment on the Road. I'm Kevin Linger, and although Bulldogs are meant to be tough, this guy is pretty cute. But Bulldog shocks are a different story. So I'm here with TJ Fontana to learn what makes Bulldog shocks different.
Yeah, so what makes Bulldog shocks different is that we went out to the fleets, we said, what don't you like about your current supplier? What can we do better? And they really said three things. They said number one was the excessive misting, to reduce that. Number two was bushing quality, and number three was weld quality. So when we designed and engineered the Bulldog shocks, we took all that into account. On our seals, we use a double lip fin seal. That is an OE style seal, so that reduces the amount of misting that you get on the shock. All the bushings are proprietary to us. It's our own formulation. We use less filler so that you get no cracking of the bushing. And then on the welds, we do a 360-degree robotic weld.
So for the fleets out there who might be concerned about misting versus leaking, how can they tell when there's an issue with their shock?
Yeah, what I like to tell people is that every single mile that you drive, that shock is making 1,750 stabilizing actions. So that shock is moving up and down. There's a little bit of oil that ends up on the body or on the piston rod itself, and over time that oil ends up on the body of the shock. So you're going to get a little bit of misting with every single shock out there. What I tell people is if you run your finger up the side of the shock and there's a little bit of oily, gritty dirt, that's misting, that's normal. If you see oil streaming down the side of the shock, or you run your finger up the side of the shock and oil is dripping down your finger, that's a leaking shock and it needs to be replaced.
So these really aren't just claims, you're saying built for the long haul, but Bulldog has the policies to really back that up.
Yeah, we do. We have a 2-year, 250,000 mile warranty on all of our product, but then we also provide a 90-day risk-free guarantee. What that means is if the customer isn't happy with our product for any reason, we're going to give them their purchase price back. We do ask that they send us the product back so we can test it and find out what went wrong.
Right. Anything else you want our viewers to know about your shocks, your company, before we part ways today?
We just like to tell people that we're an ultra premium product, very competitively priced.
Sounds good. That's what I like to hear. Thanks so much, TJ.
Thank you.
Have a great one.